You want to take left, right? Are you okay? Decide कर लो, ठीक है? You are the DOP. Are we rolling? Hi Niti, welcome to Chrome Talkies. It's a pleasure to have you over.
Thank you.
I have a question for you. How do you use humor and comedy to drive messages for the society? Is it possible?
Of course, it's possible. Honestly, when I started out, I wasn't doing it consciously. But being a product of this society, you talk about what affects you.
Yeah.
And what better way to do it and wrapping it into a nice meetha pill of humor.
Yeah, but does it work? Do actually, sending out serious messages, clouded with comedy, do they actually permeate audiences?
I'd like to believe it does, because I remember initially when all of us comics eventually talk about airports and planes and stuff, because that is also part of our life. And I still remember I did this bit about when a woman wants to get up and get out of her window seat to get to the loo, the gentleman on aisle will only move back 2 centimeters.
The deliberate thing to maintain this distance.
And sometimes
it's still so common.
I'm telling you, but sometimes they don't even do it on purpose. They're not being creepy, they're just being lazy. And I've had people write into me on my timeline saying, you made me so conscious because I moved back, and then I realized, oh my God, she's talking about me.
It's so terrible, when you're standing in queues.
Right.
And I don't want to make it sound like there's a problem in India. But in many countries, the problem is not there. People maintain a distance.
Yes.
I am hugely uncomfortable. People just come and take next to you, yeah.
हमारी queues में थोड़ा अपनापन ज़्यादा होता है हमारी queues.
अपनापन पता नहीं ज़्यादा अपना पंच से का है. What nonsense is? Can't you maintain breathing distance? And you're talking about space which is an empty ground. Miles and miles for people to stand. But still, I think you're right. It's not deliberately being creepy, but many a times it's a function of how people think.
Yeah, or not think.
And not think. That's exactly what it is. How do you think we take IAA, Voice of Change and similar big initiatives deeper and broader to different parts of India besides metros, going to more deeper rural areas and all? What's your view on that?
I actually heard some of the speakers talking about working with grassroots people. And I remember hearing this joke by a comic, and it cut really deep, where he said, feminism electricity की तरह अभी तक गाँव में पहुँचा नहीं है. So it was very interesting, and I'm like, that's so true. We guys can debate about it endlessly and feel good कि हमने कुछ किया, but वहाँ से शुरू करना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Niti, my next question to you is humor on stage a reflection of society, or is it the other way around?
That's an interesting question.
Or it's a two-way mirror?
I think it is, art reflects life.
Art does reflect life.
Art reflects life, 100%. Of course, we use hyperbole, but I also find it interesting when people are offended by jokes.
Yeah.
I'm always like, why are you offended by the joke? Think about it. Or are you offended by the truth revealed in that joke?
Truth hai, joke hai. I think in my view, there's a lot of cultural differences. I'll give you an example. So I won't name the client because the bugger is still a client.
Okay.
So for the longest time, I was trying to pitch, but I called him by his first name.
Right.
So I'm giving a hypothetical name. You give me a hypothetical name. Give me any Indian name. So I kept saying, what's up? 5 years, no business.
He wanted to be called Mr. So-and-so.
With a G.
Ooh.
Right?
Achha.
So we'll have to edit this because the bugger was like, hold on. Coincidence. It's very we edit hoga. So give me a hypothetical name. Say Tom.
Okay.
Okay, so give me a hypothetical name.
Tom.
So Tom had a problem because I kept calling him Tom for the longest time, and he would never sign up. Till one day the team told him that you either call him Tom Sir, or because he's an Indian, it has to be a Tom G. And many people within the organization called him Mr. Tom G. And that's what it is. And then I've got colleagues in the UK, a lady called Dina, she's going to be watching this. When people call her Dina ma'am, she gets offended. She says, listen, call me Dina. Cultural differences, right?
Yeah.
So I don't think anyone is right, anyone is wrong. It's how you perceive things.
Yeah.
So comedy is a big challenge, right? How to not hamper with people's emotions.
Look, honestly, it's so subjective. I may not be your cup of tea. My comedy may not be your cup of tea. But a lot of times, what comes on my timeline is women are not funny. And I always find that hilarious, that why are you failing an entire gender based on one person's work?
Yeah.
And they were talking about AI in the workshop, and I now think that trolls are getting sharper because they are using AI. Because if 10 people are saying exactly the same words, then that's very suspect. मेरे को लग रहा है वहाँ से करके ये डाल देते हैं. खुद की इतना दिमाग भी नहीं है कि अपने आप ट्रोल करो.
बिल्कुल ठीक बात है. That's so true. Diverse audiences, right? Different audiences, different people, different perception. So when you go on stage, so I just love humor, right? So I love cracking up either and there. But cracking jokes is more spontaneous, right? So you're sitting in an audience, something happens, you're sitting in a conversation, you throw in one line. But you know, putting it together and going on stage, difficult? Fun?
Difficult, for sure. It's a process that I call boiling
I
milk.
think the biggest challenge is to get the audience to involve with you.
We use a lot of open mics to kind of, suss out what is working, what's not working.
Yeah.
Using the least possible words to get to the punchline, all that is technicality. But reality is when you're facing the audience. You can't get off stage saying audience bakwas thi. You have to think about what could I have done better to involve them.
That's so true. That is so true. It's all about engaging with audiences.
Very much.
That's what it's all about. But again, cliche, I'm sure you've been asked this millions of times. The performances, the assignments that you get, male skew on stage mostly?
Well, yeah, but that's a trend globally, not just in India.
Global. I think it's going to take a while, right?
But you've heard so many now female comic names coming up, starring everywhere.
Yeah,
I'm sure it's changing already.
absolutely. I think it is changing. And that's the voice of change, IAA. Glad to have you at IAA Voice of Change, Neeti, and wish you many, many, many more successes.
Thank you.
And stay in touch. That's how we say cheers.
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 Thank you so much.
We're done? Listen, one day I'll also be famous. You take a picture with me now.
I can surely do that.